Welcome back to part 4 of the Origine Trail bike build. In this episode, I need to use this bad boy to finish the cable routing. What a nightmare. Keep watching to find out how I solve the problem.
Have you ever had to take a drill to your bike? It's like bringing a chainsaw to a unicycle race. Overkill, but sometimes necessary. Stick around to see why I had to go full DIY mode and stay for the grand reveal at the end, where this bike will shine brighter than a Giro d'Italia leader's jersey. But first, let's talk about wall art. These cycling maps on my website, link in the description, are like the Strava of interior design. They turn your living room into a velodrome of style. I'm giving one away in April. Just comment below with your thoughts on the bike and you're in the running. Want double the chance to win? Watch until the end and I'll show you how to turbocharge your odds. Oh, and if you're already commenting, why not hit that follow button? It's like drafting behind me, effortless and rewarding. Step 1. The Origine Trail has this quirky rear gear cable routing that's like a maze designed by a sadistic bike engineer. It pops out under the bottom bracket, does a little dance on the chainstay and then pops back in. I got the inner cable through, but the outer cable, nope, it was like trying to fit a watermelon into a bidon cage. The paint job didn't help either. It's like they used a spray gun blindfolded. Check episode 1 for the fork fiasco. It's a masterpiece of overspray. Step 2. First, I tried to gently widen the hole with a flat screwdriver. It was about as effective as using a feather to hammer a nail. Step 3. Next, I removed the chain set for better access. Step 4. Chain set off. I tried a bigger screwdriver, still no luck. At this point I was starting to question my life choices. Step 5. Then I tried a small Allen key. It was like using a toothpick to dig a trench. Utterly pointless, but hey, I'm an optimist. Step 6. Finally, I grabbed my trusty cordless drill. It felt like bringing a flamethrower to a pillow fight, but desperate times call for desperate measures. A few careful attempts later and voila, the hole was ready. Have you ever had to do this? Let me know in the comments so I don't feel like a total hack. Step 7. Tested the hole with a piece of outer cable. Success. It slipped through smoother than a domestique on a downhill. Step 8. Tried out my new helmet cam. Is it too much? Maybe. But if you're not over accessorizing, are you even cycling? Remove the cable guide to make threading easier. Working from the back to the front like a reverse peloton. Step 9. Measured and cut the outer cable, then inserted the inner cable. Sadly, my SD card corrupted, so big chunks of the video are missing. On the bright side, the video is shorter, so you can get back to your life faster. You're welcome. Step 10. Insert the cable into the rear mech and check the lever. Success! The rear mech moved like it was dancing into a disco. Step 11. Did the same to the front mech. Added a cable adjuster to fix my handlebar blunder. See episode 3 for that faceplant moment. Threaded it through, adjusted the length and gave it a test. Double success is like winning 2 sprints in a row. Step 12. Refitted the chain set. Did you see the offside bearing pop out? Classic bike gremlins. Step 13. Adjusted the chain set and finally found my torque wrench. Yes, I do own one. Tightened it up like a pro. Step 14. Close up of the gear cable adjusters. Total cost? A couple of euros. It's like upgrading your bike for the price of a coffee. Step 15. Adjusted the rear mech until it was running smoother than butter on a hot crepe. The front mech footage was lost to the SD card void. Such is the life of a YouTuber. Step 16. Installed some new gravel tyres. Why did I buy dry condition tyres in northern France? Good question. Maybe I'm just an eternal optimist. Or a fool. Step 17. Arty shot of the completed bike. It's a thing of beauty. So, you made it this far. Congrats. To double your chances of winning the cycling map, drop a croissant emoji in the comments. I'll add your name twice to the prize draw. It's like getting a free lap in a time trial. Unfair advantage, but hey, I'm feeling generous.
So there we have it. The bike is finished. Problems with the handlebars, having to use a drill. The cable routing was a bit hard work, but the bike is finished. Watch in the next episode as I take the bike out for its first ride. Thanks for watching and see you next time.
Now go and enjoy your day, and may your gears always shift smoothly.